Some very important statistics which I want to inform about India. Total number of Indian students preparing for USML is 15,000 plus. But last year only 1,094 were ECFML certified. Does anyone know why 14,000 people give up on their dreams every year? It is very important for you to understand. Unfortunately, the awareness is missing. Is it lack of information or option? Unfortunately, both. Sometimes students become penny wise, pound foolish. They believe that maybe pirated content can help you. Not recommended because there is no structured, random material, no access, no postage service. I mean, completely random. Some go for Hyderabad-based review courses. Unfortunately, legacy-based courses. Just because a company is a 70, 80-year-old company doesn't mean that they have crack the code. You need to in fact check with them. If a company is a 70, 80-year-old company, I mean every second student should be getting 240s, right? But you might be wondering, out of 1,000 students they portray one student getting 260. Why is it that? What is the problem? You need to understand this. Unfortunately, their programs are 4 months, 7 months. They show you recorded content which they claim that they update every year. In reality, nobody knows that, because every year they have a new pool of students. You don't know what is the updation happening. It's just changing the cover page of the book and claiming the notes have changed. And if at all their claim is correct that they update every year, which means they are giving you half information. Okay, which means they are not giving you whatever is relevant of this year. So be very careful with this kind of company. In fact, we strongly do not recommend. In fact, this product of ours is the last product which we will recommend you to even consider, right? Because we have designed a program which is just like what American students follow in the US. All right, we provide you best content which is relevant at every level. We provide you with memory tools. We provide you with live sessions. Unless you can interact with a human being, recording lectures hardly help you. All right, there is a complete support team available, and of course I am letting you the expenditure from day one. We would not tell you, okay, it's only 1 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakhs, and then it keeps on increasing. Okay, this is something very important. Unfortunately, people get odd. Just because my senior went there, I should go there. And what? Just like my senior didn't succeed, I will not do that. In fact, if you wish, I mean, there are very few people who would do that, but if you wish, I can let you know what exactly is the difference between our program and the so-called legacy, right? But currently, if you see, the module 1 is what we offer our students while they are in pre-medical, before they join a med school. They do called as foundation of medical science, and once they are in the med school, they do advanced clinical science, which we train for step 1 CK. Under the module 3, we help you with clinical rotation CS CV. And under module 4, we help you with residency match. All right, so quickly let me show you how the program works. Our program is very, very simple. All right, when you talk about our modules of advanced clinical or a step 1 preparation, if you want just what a legacy based company offers, you can go for our silver option, which is like you get your recordings, you get your Q bank, you get your study material. But if you want quality, if you are looking for S class Mercedes, then you go for AI based performance, weakness rectifier, predictive scoring. That is available in our platinum product. Guest series, doubt solving support, unlimited live lectures. Unfortunately, these people will not offer you, right? CV building workshop, study scheduling workshop, test taking workshops, a UL QBank complimentary. Everything is available in our platinum program. And of course, we have launched something called as a money back guarantee. If you are interested and if you are serious about making your career, you have an opportunity to prepare with us. And if you are diligently following what our trainers train you, and if you don't pass in your first attempt, we will refund you the tuition fee. All right. And of course, validity, our minimum validity starts with 2 years, 3 years, and our platinum product has unlimited validity until you appear the exam. Guys, you need to understand what is the difference. Just because somebody is trying to market or brand themselves as a legacy based company, it doesn't work like that. You need to do the actual results, and which is why we invite you to attend our live lectures. So doing a live lecture on this Saturday, you're welcome to do that. You can get access to our trial. We are offering you a complete free trial for this session. You can give a mock test and get your free trial. I can take you to this website. There's a mooc16.com, and you can get trial of the entire content so that you can experience and then take a decision. You give your USMLE style mock examination. So you just click on online coaching, click on USMLE coaching, and you can give your trial for the exam. No problem. You also click on free trial and you can watch you can fill in the details and get your own login ID password and can practice on the MOOCs platform.